is merong existing line item doon po sa Office of the Vice President. At maliwanag po, ang existing line item doon po sa Office of the Vice President 2022 GAA, which is the good governance in tulungan ang DepEd. So having said that, big crisis, we cannot waste funds, we cannot waste time. I think those are the two things. So, nakakalungkot na pagdating sa COA report,
Mainit na issue is of course confidential and intelligence funds. Sa ngayon po, of course, na-announce na po ni Chairman Saldico ang pag-scrap po.
with due respect, you are not allowed to do that, Madam Vice President. You are...
Magandang umaga po.